50 basic English phrases for everyday conversation and how to use them.
Before we begin, I would like to remind you that I am sharing this material with you for free. I hope you can support me by liking and commenting after watching this video for about 3 minutes. Your feedback is important to me and helps me improve. Thank you for your support and comments. Great, let's begin.
1. Thank you. Here are examples of how to use it. I appreciate your help. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful gift. 2. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Here are examples of how to use it. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat? The music is loud. Sorry, I didn't catch that. 3. Excuse me. Here are examples of how to use it. Excuse me, can I get through? Excuse me, where is the nearest ATM? 4. How are you? Here are examples of how to use it. Nice to meet you. How are you? It's been a long time. How are you? 5. I'm fine, thank you. Here are examples of how to use it. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. And yourself? 6. What's your name? Here are examples of how to use it. What's your name? I don't think we've met before. I heard a lot about you. What's your name? 7. My name is. Here are examples of how to use it. My name is John. Nice to meet you. Hi, my name is Sarah. What's yours? 8. Nice to meet you. Here are examples of how to use it. Nice to meet you. I've heard great things. I'm glad we could meet. Nice to meet you. 9. Can you help me? Here are examples of how to use it. I'm lost. Can you help me find this address? Can you help me lift this box? 10. Of course. Here are examples of how to use it. Can you lend me a pen? Of course. Do you have a minute? Of course. 11. Where is the? Here are examples of how to use it. Excuse me. Where is the bathroom? Could you tell me where is the exit? 12. I would like. Here are examples of how to use it. I would like a coffee, please. For dinner, I would like the vegetarian dish. 13. How much is this? Here are examples of how to use it. This looks good. How much is this? I'm interested in buying this. How much is this? 14. Could you please? Here are examples of how to use it. Could you please speak slower? Could you please send me the details? 15. I don't understand. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm sorry, I don't understand this word. Can you explain it again? I don't understand. 16. What time is it? Here are examples of how to use it. I forgot my watch. What time is it? We should go. What time is it? 17. Could you recommend? Here are examples of how to use it. We're looking for dinner spots. Could you recommend something? I love reading. Could you recommend a good book? 18. I need. Here are examples of how to use it. I need directions to the train station. I need a moment to think. 19. What do you think? Here are examples of how to use it. What do you think about the new policy? I made some changes. What do you think? 20. That sounds great. Here are examples of how to use it. They offered me a new job. That sounds great. Dinner at 8. That sounds great. 21. Please speak slowly. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm still learning English. Please speak slowly. This is a complex topic. Please speak slowly. 22. Can I have? Here are examples of how to use it. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have a glass of water? 23. I'm from. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm from Brazil. Where are you from? I was born in India. I'm from Delhi. 24. Do you speak English? Here are examples of how to use it. Excuse me. Do you speak English? I need assistance. Do you speak English? 25. I'm learning English. Here are examples of how to use it. I might make mistakes. I'm learning English. I'm learning English to travel more. 26. How do you say this in English? Here are examples of how to use it. How do you say libro in English? I forgot the word. How do you say this in English? 27. I love. Here are examples of how to use it. I love Italian food. What about you? I love reading at night. 28. I'm looking for. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm looking for the history section. We're lost. We're looking for Park Street. 29. What's this? Here are examples of how to use it. What's this dish called? I found this in my room. What's this? 30. Where can I find? Here are examples of how to use it. Where can I find a good coffee shop? I need a charger. Where can I find one? 31. Could I try? Here are examples of how to use it. This looks good. Could I try a sample? Could I try speaking in English with you? 32. I think. Here are examples of how to use it. I think we met before at John's party. I think it's going to rain today. 33. What happened? Here are examples of how to use it. The meeting was canceled. What happened? You look upset. What happened? 34. Let's go. Here are examples of how to use it. We're late. Let's go. This place is boring. Let's go. 35. Watch out. Here are examples of how to use it. Watch out. The floor is wet. There's a car coming. Watch out. 36. I forgot. Here are examples of how to use it. I forgot to bring my notebook. What was your name again? I forgot. 37. I remember. Here are examples of how to use it. Now I remember. You're Lisa's friend. I remember this place. We came here last year. 38. It's okay. Here are examples of how to use it. You spilled your coffee. It's okay. Don't worry. Sorry, I'm late. It's okay. Just sit down. 39. Can we? Here are examples of how to use it. It's getting late. Can we finish this tomorrow? Can we take a break? I'm exhausted. 40. I'm tired. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. After the hike, I'm really tired. 41. I'm happy. Here are examples of how to use it. I just heard the good news. I'm happy for you. Seeing you again makes me so happy. 42. I'm sad. Here are examples of how to use it. I'm sad to hear about your loss. The movie was touching. I'm sad it ended. 43. I'm excited. Here are examples of how to use it. We're going on vacation. I'm excited. Tomorrow is my birthday. I'm excited. 44. I'm worried. Here are examples of how to use it. You didn't come home last night. I'm worried. This project is tough. I'm worried about finishing on time. 45. I agree. Here are examples of how to use it. That's a good point. I agree. I agree. Pizza is the best food. 46. I disagree. Here are examples of how to use it. I see your point, but I disagree. I disagree. I think this is the better option. 47. It's cold. Hot. Here are examples of how to use it. Turn up the heat. It's cold in here. Let's go swimming. It's so hot. 48. I'm hungry. Thirsty. Here are examples of how to use it. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. After the run, I was really thirsty. 49. I'm bored. Here are examples of how to use it. There's nothing to do. I'm bored. This lecture is dragging. I'm bored. 50. Goodbye. See you later. Here are examples of how to use it. I have to go now. Goodbye. Class is over. See you later.
Speaking practice. Repeat twice after Jane.
I'm lost. Can you help me find this address? I'm lost. Can you help me find this address? Do you have a minute? Of course. Do you have a minute? Of course. I need a moment to think. I need a moment to think. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. It's lunchtime and I'm hungry. Let's go swimming. It's so hot. Let's go swimming. It's so hot.